All right, we're all zeroed out. Running 6 cell. Got the Panther in out here with Matt. He's got his active wing talion down there. He's hopefully gonna go for triple digits, and we're gonna follow him. We're gonna try to chase him down, see what it's got. No man, these big Panthers, what's wrong with them?
That was 91, dude. It wasn't,
Nice.
it wasn't even
That was 91?
That was half throttle when it came past it.
Oh, I believe it. That was 122. Hope you guys enjoyed the onboard at over 120 miles an hour. Obviously, it's not going to be as quick because kind of have a camera block in the wind. You said you got 90 what?
Yeah, 91.
Nice. 91. Very good. First time out with the Panther, 6S Panther. Very good.